Main two of these.
Due to arrival in Paris in 50 minutes and 39,000 feet. So just about to touch down, Scandinavian Airlines, led by SAS.
And then, as Debbie mentioned, behind that, of course, the unmistakable shape of the Emirates Airbus A380, largest passenger aircraft in the world. Emirates, of course, the largest operator of the Airbus A380, took almost half the production, which unfortunately came to an end about 5 years ago now. Airbus made the decision that they were no longer going to produce the A380. And of course along came COVID, and that played havoc with many of the wide-bodied four-engined aircraft that airlines just did not want anymore because they were no longer economical. But Emirates have of course made the decision to continue operating the A380, and indicated that they will do so at least until the late 2030s. So some of you here who are sort of shall we say, under sort of 10 years old, you'll be coming here to the runway visitor park in your 20s, and the A380 will still be popping in from Dubai. Well, as you can see, given the size and the weight of the aircraft, it will vacate the visitor park, give us a great opportunity to get now at their designated stands down on Terminal 2. So where before it used to park on the end of the pier, visible from here, it's obviously going to disappear down the cul-de-sac to Terminal 2. That you will see as the aircraft taxis past. Crews do tend to be very, very friendly, so give them away as the taxi pass. Will be the captain that's on the left-hand side of the aircraft, closest to the visitor park. Of course, I say they're very friendly. One of our co-commentators is actually a serving captain on the A380s with Emirates, so he encourages all his colleagues, of course, to give us a wave when they're going past. Neo, this is in an absolutely stunning colour scheme, the Emirates Tomorrowland colour scheme. Tomorrowland is a big music festival in Belgium. They had a previous Airbus A320 in the older Tomorrowland scheme. This one is absolutely stunning. So if you've got your cameras handy, make sure that you get a picture of this particular aircraft and it taxis in. Directly across from the runway to park over toward the massive steel pillars. You can see an aircraft leaving a trail behind. That's another Airbus A380, this time belonging to British Airways. That aircraft is routing from London Heathrow across to San Francisco. And up to the left of the visitor park in its fancy sandy-coloured stripe scheme is an Airbus A380-900 belonging to Condor, a German airline. That aircraft is routing from Frankfurt to Cancun in Mexico.